here we have for sale is our Strider 8 mile an hour scooter. It's got a 4 mile an hour mode and an 8 mile an hour mode. It's got seat slides forwards and also tilts. It's got lights all round, indicators all round, little wheelie wheels there to stop you tipping it over when you go down curves or anything. It's got adjuster for the seats just here. You can adjust the seat. Seat's nice and tidy, as you can see. Nice and tidy little buggy. I'm going to call it a car then, but it's not. It's we've got a few different modes on here. We've got the horn. Let's turn it on. We've got horn. We've got hazard lights. We've got lights. We've got indicators. Left and right. We've got adjustable speed. And then we've got our 4 mile an hour and 8 mile an hour. High is 8. L is 4 mile an hour. And obviously forward and reverse. She rides really well. It's got good tyres all round. Just one little problem with it. On the front, it's been repaired. We've had it repaired. So he crashed into something with it. It's pretty solid repair. It's nice and solid. It's just that it has still got like a broken light lens and a few marks you can see. There's one around there, all the way around, and then one there. So it's quite, there's a couple of marks on it. Apart from that, everything else is all good, and she rides well. Movable shopping basket. It just lifts off and you can move that. Not lift it off. It comes with the charger. Lasts well, we've not had any problems. It's had new batteries last year. She rides pretty well. Turn it back on. There we go, we're in low. So go forwards. Oops, a bit bumpy there. Forwards. And then I'll get onto the garden a bit more. I'm on my garden. There we go. And then we've got reverse. Oops. It helps if you hold onto the steering. And reverse. Got a brake just here. It locks the front wheels. Like I say, you got reverse one side and the other. I don't want to get too fast in my garden. And it can be road registered. So that's my little our little 8 mile an hour Strider mobility scooter. Like I say, the seat, you can spin the seat all the way around. I'll show you here. I can reach. There you go. You can turn the seat all the way around if you want to get on and off. If it's easy to get on, it's just a little lever there. It's there. It's got a forward and back slide, back and forward on the seat as well. Lift up armrests. I've got a little bag on the back of the seat as well. Just here. And away we go. I mean, it comes with a charge. We've had no problems with it at all, apart from he decided he could crash it, but unfortunately there's a lot of these like that. And we just want to sell it, so there you go.